Welcome to Space to Ground. I'm Kayla LaFrance, and welcome to the Houston Museum of Natural Sciences George Observatory. As astronomers and space enthusiasts across the U.S. prepare for the next total solar eclipse, so are the crew aboard the International Space Station, preparing for their unique view of the celestial event. On Monday, April 8th, the orbiting laboratory will be on the day side of Earth 3 times during the total solar eclipse. The Expedition 71 crew will be able to look out the windows and experience the eclipse and witness the famous shadow from above. However, while millions are traveling into the path of totality, the astronauts will only see the eclipsing moon as a partial solar eclipse, much like how most of North America will see it. During their orbital passes, the astronauts will be able to see the large shadow, around 115 miles wide, created by the solar eclipse as it travels through Mexico, into America, passing over Texas and onto the northeast, before crossing over the Canadian Maritime provinces and exiting over the Atlantic Ocean. The shadow will move across North America at more than 1,500 miles per hour. So while skywatchers in the center of totality can expect over 4 minutes of shadow, the ISS crew, traveling at 17,500 miles per hour, will experience the eclipse for a much shorter time during each pass. Please join us on Monday for NASA's live coverage as the total solar eclipse moves across North America. We will have appearances from NASA astronauts Tracy Dyson and Jeanette Epps from the station's Destiny Laboratory, plus an inside look at NASA's Eclipse science experiments and watch parties along the path of totality from Texas to Maine. As NASA astronaut Laurel O'Hara nears the end of her 204 days in space, she joins her Soyuz crewmates in departure preparation, preparing their belongings and checking out their Sokol entry suits, which they will wear in the Soyuz capsule during re-entry. The trio is set to undock from the space station for their return trip inside the Soyuz MS-24 spacecraft on Saturday, April 6th. After undocking, the crew will deorbit and re-enter Earth's atmosphere before parachuting to the ground in Kazakhstan. During her time on orbit, O'Hara conducted and participated in countless experiments and science investigations, including the production of flawless space fibers. Optical fibers are used on Earth and in space for applications in medicine, defense, cybersecurity, and telecommunications. Early parabolic research showed that optical fibers produced in microgravity can be higher quality than those made in normal gravity. The Flawless Space Fibers investigation is using the space station to demonstrate new manufacturing technology developed by Flawless Photonics to improve the quality and length of optical fibers produced in space. From mid-February to mid-March, the investigation manufactured more than 7 miles of optical fiber. These space-drawn fibers are set to return to Earth soon for analysis. Here's to clear skies for all skywatchers next week. That's Space to Ground. Thanks for watching.